An open mind gives you maximum opportunities to grow in your life or career. An open mind means you have an unbiased attitude, an unbiased expression of opinion towards anything. My name is Nasir, and in this video, I'll be sharing 5 important tips on how to have an open mindset. Number 1 is to socialize. When you socialize with people, make new friends, meet new people, there you will understand their perspectives, their understandings. You will open up to more and more perspectives. When you do that, you will have a broader mindset. Number 2, be empathic. When you are empathic to people or you show empathy towards people, they will be accepting you, they will share their problems with you. Empathy is understanding others' problems. It is not sympathy, not your concerns towards their problems. In fact, you are in their shoes, understanding them with their perspective, not your perspective putting on them. Number 3, get out of your comfort zone. If you are out of your comfort zone, if you are going to do something new, you will also achieve something which you don't have it right now. Just go with this saying, if you want something which you have not really have it right now, you need to do something which you have not done till now. So you need to try out new things and come out of your comfort zone. Number 4, ask questions. Make the curiosity in you always alive. When you ask new questions to more and more people, you get new and more answers. That will increase your knowledge and perspectives towards many things. Your knowledge increasing will automatically make your mindset more broader and more open. Number 5, avoid speculation. Don't think of starting before something. What will happen if I fail in it? What will happen? You're getting doubts before doing something. You're speculating a thing before you're trying it. Don't do that. Try it out first. Get into it. There is enough time to take risk. You can take risk. Don't think about what if I fail. It's good. You learn from it. Don't wait for anything. Don't wait for approvals. Don't speculate. That time you will have a more broader mindset. These things which I have said is a bit difficult to achieve and can only be achieved by consistent practice of these areas. I hope you liked this video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Please do follow. See you all in the next video.